Something here seems foul. Something here just reeks of blood and suffering. Could it be these halls are echoing of death? We'll see. In all my dreams I see a maze of halls with bloody walls and countless scrolls reminding me it's me. Don't play these games, you've lost your fright. I'm armed with more than a light, and I'm surviving 5 nights. No phones, no screens, no more. Just you and me, a gun or 3, and nothing else between me and this door. You bring the fur, I'll bring the fight. Hey Foxy, come get a bite, 'cause I'm surviving 5 nights.